All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Vince Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you could do with your noodles. And today I'm going to do another thing. This is going to be the last of the series of weird things I do with this cup noodles breakfast variety, the new variety from Nissen Foods. It's not bad. It's not my favorite one that they've made, but it's a lot of fun. When they come out with weird new stuff, I'm totally on board with that. Things that are unique, strange, interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make an omelet with this stuff and maybe some cheese inside of it. So, yeah, that should be interesting, right? It's breakfast. Yeah, so let's do it. Well, I guess you figured it out. I'm really not great at making omelets, but there's eggs wrapped around what's inside, which was a little bit of Velveeta and one of these cups. I didn't really think there was that much a noodle in this, and it's been topped with hot sauce that came with a press kit. It's an interesting hot sauce too. It's like a habanero hot sauce. I want to thank Stumpy from North Little Rock and James from Lakeside, California for supplying the noodles for these reviews that I've done and these strange frankenfoods that I've been making. I couldn't find these things anywhere nearby. The Walmart website was absolutely horrendous. Yeah, it was horrible. But thankfully, a couple readers, good friends, helped me out. So thank you again. And now I'm going to give this a try. It sounds either like it'll be good or it won't. And it's hot. So, cheers. It's interesting because it's kind of like an amalgam of things of breakfast. It has a little maple flavor. Didn't really get much of the sausage aspect. It's got egg. It's got the hot sauce. It's just kind of like, I feel like I'm in like some kind of breakfast restaurant. It's really quite strange. It's like if you took restaurant and ground it up and put it in an omelet, like breakfast joint. I'll give it one more try. The cheese, by the way, definitely is a binding agent. Well, it's definitely better than the prison burrito, but still, it's not like, no, not the best thing I've ever made. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This has been the 5th in a series of experiments with the cup noodles breakfast. And I also want to thank Nissen Foods. I've contacted them, talked to the Twitter people, the Instagram people, and they've been really helpful in putting this all together. So thank you and have a good one. Bye.